Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hey, I'm Ben from Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, and today we're talking about my good, better, and best options for electric ranges with air fryers included, so that you can get an appliance off your counter but still get the good, crispy deliciousness that you look for from an air fryer. So we're starting with this GE model here. It is the JB735 SPSS, and so cool thing with this one is we start at the top. It has dual element, so it has a 9 and a 12-inch burner here, so you can change the size of this burner with the twist of a knob. So on the inside here, you can see it has the hidden element, which makes it easier to clean up if you have a spill. It doesn't burn right onto the element. This model also has a delayed cycle where you can set a time delay to have the cooking start at a later time, and same with the cleaning cycle. And so yeah, a really good model, and comes in at $818. All right, so moving on to my better option. This is the LG. The model is the LRE L6323S, and so this one also has the dual element. But what's really cool with this one is it has the easy clean setting, which is a 10-minute clean. So you spray the inside down with water, press that button, 10 minutes later you wipe it out, and cleans like a breeze. Nice thing with this one is it's a larger capacity as well, so 6.3 cubic feet, so handles the largest meals that you can throw at it, and comes in at a really nice price point here at $899. All right, so now for my best option. This is the Frigidaire, model number GCR E3060AF. And so the biggest difference with this model is that it has a 3-in-1 element on top, and so that's really cool. It gives you a 12 9-inch or 6-inch option. And then this one also does have the air fryer. It has the self-cleaning, the delay start, all the features that we had seen in the other ones, along with that hidden element, and then a third rack for extra flexibility. So this one comes in really nicely here at $1,034. And so those are my good, better, best options for electric ranges that have air fry integrated. And so make sure for more videos to follow the channel, like, subscribe, and we'll be looking forward to seeing you there.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.